is Heather's Treasures. I'm Heather and welcome back to my channel. I've got some polymer clay here. We're going to play today. I've never had much luck with polymer clay. I always burn it. I can show you some pieces that I did earlier as practice. This one I burnt, and then I applied some chrome powder to it just to try to hide it, but you can see the discoloration of the translucent. So we're going to try again. I've got a couple ideas here. So I've got 6 blocks of pearl that I used my it's about 2 3/8 inch square. So I'm just going to cut these in half because I want to do 2 different projects with this stuff. And I'll do the other one in another video. So what I'm going to do is mix up the pearl and the translucent. Okay, I only mixed these 4 times through my pasta machine, so I need to go get my, this is a pink. I'm going to try to make an abalone. Let's do some interference green. This is Primary Elements Bling It green. Here's some interference violet. Let's do some turquoise. This one is Born Pretty. And then on just the pearl, I'm going to use a white. This one is titanium. So now I'm just going to mix this up. This one was turquoise, so I'm going to add a piece of turquoise to that. That was about the size of a small pea. Okay, I've got a green pea and a blue pea, a violet pea, and a turquoise pea. Okay, I doubled up my white or my pearl, just plain pearl, because I wanted to. So I've got turquoise here. It's not real bright, but I don't know if you can see the difference. There is some there. You can see it. So let's go with pink on the bottom and some white. And we're going to put some translucent in there. Blue next. Turquoise. Transparent. White. Violet. Transparent. Green. And we're going to put some transparent on the back here, just to get rid of it. Now we're going to smash it down into a block. I don't have any tools. Well, I take that back. I have a few tools. I just don't have anything that would square stuff up. All right, this is pretty thick. It is 7/8 of an inch thick. Let's go ahead and make it an inch. Okay, now we need some big, this is a big paintbrush. I'm going to push it all the way down. Now I want something a little less big. Let's see. This is from the Dollar Tree. Now we're going to smash it all back together. And see what we got. I'll show you, this was my first attempt. I've already put UV resin on this. And I liked it, but it's just a little too dull and boring. This was supposed to be mother of pearl. All right, I'm going to get my flexible blade here. That's my stiff one. Here's a flexible. That's pretty. Oh, I like it. Okay. Let me run this through the pasta machine. Okay, this is on 3. 7 is my largest setting and 1 is my thinnest. So this is on a 3. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bake this for 30 minutes maybe from a cold oven at 275. And I don't want it to be baked. I want it to be brittle. Okay guys, we're back. This came out of the oven after 15 minutes. It's still a little warm, but I like this. I think this is going to work perfect. That's the back side, but that nobody will see that part. Pretty cool. I think it looks like abalone. Thanks so much for joining me, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, all that good stuff. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you want to be notified when I upload a new video, click the little bell. And until next time, love you. Bye-bye.